So hi everyone, we are here already in Clearwater Bay. 30 minutes walk from the bus stop. So this is the Clearwater Bay Park. So we're going to go there, going up there later. And this is the overlooking view.
Not too much.
But when you go home back, you can ride a taxi. There's a taxi here if you're tired to walk again. So let's go inside. So there's a lot of car here. So let's go up. There's a lot of car here.
You like camping?
There's not allowed the camping here and shelter. Oh, there is
Camping.
Bunso, baka may tubig dyan. We're going to buy water. Maybe there's water here. We just look for it. This is only Tabanog. I mean there is a kite. We look for a water. Oh, so lucky we have water here. So hi everyone, we're so lucky because we have a water here. You can buy water if you are thirsty. So there's water and there's a toilet also over there. And then my sister is laughing because I'm talking English. So all my viewers can understand me. So such a nice place. Tree walk. So there is an arrow, Clearwater Bay. Tree walk over there, and then we're going there.
Long here.
And there is a toilet. Maybe we go toilet first because over there's no toilet.
Okay, you can toilet. I cannot toilet. I stay here.
Okay, just get this.
Okay.
So I go for toilet first. So we are here already, guys, and then we have a barbecue. There is also a barbecue site over there. There's a lot doing a barbecue. Yeah.
Why? We start chatting is January 14.
Very nice here. The park is so big.
You adjust me.
There is two place of barbecue site. There, over there, and here. This side.
Your sleep is
Oh no, that's so hot. I thought it's winter, but it's so hot. Oh, I show you the view. Wow, ang ganda ng view. May isang bundok doon. Going there. Let's go there, Bunso.
parang daw ako Really?
Pwede rin dito dadaan, pwede rin doon.
Ang init naman tiyo eh. Masisira yung beauty ko. My beauty is broken. So hot.
So nice. Ano yan? May kinasal? Ba't naka-white siya lang? So this park is, that park is, you need to play a kite. There's a lot of playing kite. Yeah, we're going there. OMG. So marami parang table dito sa ilalim ng mga puno. There's a lot of trees. And then under the trees have tables and chairs. The flowers so pretty. So we're going over there.
What time you work today?
What's that? Oh, they're planting a trees here. So this is the second barbecue site. I mean the third one. Ang linis ng bundok. Pupunta tayo dun sa... We're going to the top. So we're here already in the top of the park. So look at the view. It's really nice and so relaxing. It's nice to relax here. If you can see the view out there, you can see the sea. There's a lot of people today. Some are playing kite. Look, they're playing kite. This park is so big and in the top of the mountain. Yeah. So this is the view when you are in up. When you are really in the top, this is the view. You can see like that here. And then let's go home.